Recently, several stunning One UI 8.5 liquid glass concept designs surfaced online, and the response from users was overwhelmingly positive. People loved how fresh and futuristic these designs looked compared to Samsung's current interface. The concepts felt smooth, premium, and visually exciting, which quickly sparked even more interest. Because of this strong reaction, additional One UI 8.5 concept renders have now appeared, showing even more creative ideas for what Samsung's next major software update could potentially look like. The first concept image highlights a completely redesigned control panel. This design is built around a modern liquid glass visual style. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles sit inside soft, translucent capsules that look like floating glass buttons. These elements appear to hover above the wallpaper, creating a layered and immersive effect. The background blur adapts beautifully to different wallpapers, allowing colors to pass through gently while keeping all text and icons clear and readable. The brightness and volume sliders also receive a noticeable upgrade. They look taller, smoother, and more fluid than the current design. Rounded edges replace sharp lines, giving the entire control panel a softer and more natural appearance. Overall, this concept feels clean, modern, and extremely premium. If Samsung ever fully adopts a glass-style UI, this is a strong example of how One UI 8.5 could evolve. The second concept shifts focus to the home screen and widgets. In this design, widgets are larger, rounder, and built using frosted glass textures. Subtle shadows beneath each widget add depth, making the interface feel layered and realistic. Music controls, payment shortcuts, and app widgets all follow the same visual theme, giving the screen a well-balanced and organized look. Despite having multiple widgets on the screen, the layout never feels cluttered. Everything blends smoothly with the wallpaper. Icons and elements feel calm and polished rather than aggressive or overly sharp. This concept shows how One UI 8.5 could transform everyday widgets into something more interactive and visually appealing, instead of just basic functional boxes. The third concept image focuses on the notification panel, where the liquid glass idea really stands out. Notifications appear inside semi-transparent cards with smooth, rounded corners. Thanks to the blur effects, each notification looks like it is floating above the background. Important alerts are clearly highlighted, while less urgent notifications remain subtle and unobtrusive. Media controls, timers, and quick actions follow the same glass-inspired design language. Soft gradients and layered visuals make the notification panel feel elegant and calm. If Samsung ever brings something like this into real software, checking notifications could become a much smoother and less stressful experience compared to today's busy layouts. At this point, it is very important to clarify one thing. All of these designs are concept renders. They are not official images from Samsung. These visuals are created by designers to show what One UI 8.5 could look like if Samsung chooses to push a glass-style interface further in the future. More new liquid glass concepts continue this theme. Another home screen design shows a clean and minimal layout with a strong glass aesthetic. The music widget at the top uses a translucent layer that allows wallpaper colors to softly blend through. This creates a calm and premium atmosphere across the entire screen. Below it, widgets like YouTube and Samsung Wallet follow the same frosted glass style. Rounded corners, gentle shadows, and consistent spacing make everything feel connected. Even the app icons look more refined and balanced. This concept shows how One UI 8.5 could make daily phone use feel lighter, smoother, and more enjoyable. Another concept image takes the glass effect even further, especially within the music player. Here, blur levels are deeper, gradients are smoother, and UI elements appear to float more clearly above the wallpaper. Expanded music controls look immersive and clean, while surrounding widgets remain simple and distraction-free. This layered approach adds depth without making the interface feel heavy or confusing. It strikes a great balance between beauty and usability, showing how One UI 8.5 could combine premium visuals with real-world functionality. One more concept highlights the control panel and live system features. Elements like flashlight controls, update progress bars, and quick actions are placed inside semi-transparent glass cards. Each feature feels separate but still visually connected through the same design language. The control center looks futuristic, easy to use, and very polished. Again, these designs are not official. They are only creative ideas, but they offer an exciting glimpse into what Samsung's software could become in the future. Overall, these One UI 8.5 liquid glass concepts present a bold and refreshing vision. They imagine an interface that feels smoother, lighter, and more premium than ever. If Samsung takes inspiration from designs like these, future versions of One UI could easily become some of the best-looking Android interfaces available. Now the big question is yours. Which design do you like the most? Should Samsung bring a glass-style UI to One UI officially, or is the current design already good enough? Everyone will have different opinions, and that is what makes these concepts so exciting. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more One UI updates, Samsung news, and concept showcases. Stay tuned for the next one.